What if I told you that you don't need expensive superfoods or diet plans to lose weight? No chia seeds from abroad. No fancy protein powders. Just cheap Indian foods that your parents already trust, and science backs. Stay till the end, because food number 6 is so underrated, it literally melts fat while you sleep. And trust me, most people are eating these foods wrong. Let's start. Food number 1, dal, lentils. Dal is one of the most affordable and widely eaten foods in India, moong dal, masoor dal, or tur dal. Dal is packed with plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and B vitamins, all essential for fat loss and energy. Protein keeps you full for hours, while fiber slows digestion. This combination prevents overeating, controls cravings, and stabilizes blood sugar, one of the biggest reasons people gain weight. If you eat dal daily, you'll notice less hunger within 5 to 7 days, and visible weight loss in 2 to 3 weeks. Question for you: which dal do you eat most, moong or masoor? Comment below. Food number 2, oats, desi style. Oats are cheap, easily available, and perfect for Indian-style breakfasts when cooked right. Rich in soluble fiber, beta-glucan, complex carbs, and protein. Oats form a gel in your stomach that slows digestion, keeps you full, and prevents sudden insulin spikes, meaning less fat storage. You'll feel fuller from breakfast itself in 3 to 4 days, and belly fat reduction can begin in 2 weeks. Important: oats work only when not loaded with sugar or butter. Food number 3, cabbage. Cabbage is one of the cheapest vegetables in India, yet insanely powerful for weight loss. Low calories, high fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Cabbage adds volume to your meals without adding calories. It improves digestion, reduces bloating, and forces your body to burn stored fat. Reduced bloating in 3 to 5 days, and visible slimming in 2 weeks. Be honest, do you like cabbage or avoid it? Type yes or no. Food 4, cucumber. Cucumber is almost free in summer and still affordable year-round. Mostly water, but also fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. It hydrates you deeply, flushes toxins, reduces water retention, and shrinks belly size naturally. Less bloating in 2 to 3 days, and a flatter stomach in 10 to 14 days. Tip: eat cucumber with meals, not alone. Food number 5, brown rice, in limited quantity. A healthier alternative to white rice that's still budget-friendly. Fiber, magnesium, complex carbs, and slow digesting starch. It releases energy slowly, prevents insulin spikes, and stops fat from storing around the waist. Stable energy and less hunger within 1 week, and fat loss in 2 to 3 weeks. Portion control is the secret here. Food number 6, garlic, the fat burner. Garlic is probably already in your kitchen, and yes, it's that powerful. Contains allicin, sulfur compounds, and antioxidants. Garlic boosts metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, and forces fat cells to release stored fat, especially belly fat. Better digestion in 3 days, and fat loss signs in 2 weeks when consumed regularly. This is the food most people underestimate. Food 7, boiled potato, yes, really. Plain boiled potatoes, not fried, not oily. High satiety carbs, potassium, resistant starch. Potatoes rank highest on the satiety index, meaning they keep you full longer than most foods, so you eat less overall. Hunger control in 2 to 3 days, weight loss within 2 weeks if eaten correctly. Fried potatoes equals fat gain. Boiled potatoes equals fat loss. Big surprise reveal. Weight loss isn't about what's expensive. It's about what keeps you full, balanced, and consistent. Indian food already has everything, you just need to eat it smartly. If this video saved you money and helped you lose weight, like this video, subscribe to the channel for real, affordable fat loss content, and comment, weight loss, if you are ready to start a full cheap Indian weight loss journey.